Emancipation Park. Right here in New Kingston. This is where we're starting this video from. And we're heading to take a look at 1 Belmont. That's a mega commercial development that's happening on Belmont Road by Sygnus Group. Sygnus is doing a lot of real estate projects in Kingston, in Jamaica. Now for this project, it will be a multi-level commercial development with up to 4 levels of parking garage, up to over 330 car capacity, elevator, lots of stuff. What I like about this project as well, on their website they have every single detail. You're able to see how the building is going to look, all the amenities, everything. I know a lot of development, especially the commercial ones, will even do a video of the completed project, but sometimes they may not have like a website. So Belmont Road, this left turn. Alright guys, so we are at the site of 1 Belmont. So it's a mega commercial development right here on Belmont Road. As I stated before, this lot was 2 lots before. They joined them together now. Both lots had older type office complexes that was unoccupied. So from those 2 lots, this is now one big lot to create this mega development. Alright, so when I set up the drone, you'll see some better shots in terms of their foundation and stuff like that. And as I mentioned, I'll go on their website so you guys can see some better pictures of the final project for this location. So the name is Belmont 1 and it's on 1 Belmont Road. Definitely let me know what you guys think in terms of design, location. Just leave your general comments. Let's have a discussion, and of course your comments also helps to push the video to new viewers and potential new subscribers as well. So it's gonna be right in front of JN Corporate Offices and Financial Center, Jamaica National. And then we have ATL Automotive close by as well, and Artrust NTA Siaga Building and the National Commercial Bank is also close by as well. So from outside you won't be able to see much. This is another Chinese contractor, BYD, a mixture of Chinese workers and Jamaican workers. Virtuoso Architect. They're the designers. They have designed most of these new developments in Kingston. So very big lot. So they're putting up their crane. So the lot goes all the way down there. Alright guys, leave your comments. Mega commercial development. This is one of the biggest commercial development in recent times in terms of design, in terms of the magnitude. So Sygnus Real Estate is the developer here. Sygnus has been making move in the real estate space along with First Rock, Iron Rock. You know, a lot of new companies have come on board and really changing the game. Alright guys, so let's gear up and let's get ready for the drone video. Alright guys, so this is 1 Belmont. Just wanted to show you guys the website. Try to get the best quality. May not be the cleanest, but you guys will have an idea of what is coming. So that's the building. So again, Sygnus Real Estate is the developer. Alright, so this is another page. Modern and globally inspired. It's gonna be beyond being a place to work. Great design, and there's a lot of technology that will be in place. So I like the look. What do you guys think? Alright, so another page. So at least you guys can have a very good look at the final design. Alright, so another video. So we're now on a virtual tour via Raymore Reviews, the Discovery Boss. You can check out their website as well. Their website is belmontja.com. So you guys can check it out as well. That's their entrance. Alright, so we won't stay too long on each page because you guys can always check it out. So we have up to 4 levels of parking. We have a rooftop terrace area. Some of the building features. 310 parking space. Gonna be 9 floors. Alright guys, so you can always check out their website. So 1 Belmont. Alright guys, and I keep interchanging the name 1 Belmont, Belmont 1. So the official name for this development is 1 Belmont. So that's the name. So this is 1 Belmont. Rising from the ashes like a phoenix.